Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Floki. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I saw some bullish momentum earlier this morning. Right now, it has dimmed down a bit, but I know that quite a lot of you are looking at Floki. Floki has been incredibly bullish in the last week as well, and in general, what we saw earlier this morning as well. But that has also dissipated a bit, is that meme coins were recovering very well after the small bearish momentum we had yesterday. And recovering is a big word. It's more that overnight, quite a lot of cryptos rallied quite a bit, and meme coins were very strong in that. So we saw Pepe almost breaking out. For Floki, it's a bit more like Floki. I would say technically is actually one of the most bullish meme coins, because it's still at the all-time highs, or at least I assume these are the all-time highs. But it's still ranging near the all-time highs. While if you look at some other cryptos, or if you look at some other meme coins, they have dropped down quite a bit. We're actually not at the all-time highs. No, we are, but we haven't broken above that. 3,000 is the main level to break. This is the all-time high. All right, well, that makes it interesting. All right, but no, Floki is still at the all-time high, consolidating there. Market circumstances are still bullish, and we know that Floki has some major backing. So that's interesting, and why I said that it's also very much interesting that we are at that all-time high is because usually if you get a market structure where you have a bullish market structure, which Floki definitely has. I mean, it's more and more consolidating here, but you can still see that even right here, we are making higher lows. So if you have a bullish market structure and you get to the previous top, previous high, or previous all-time high, usually the price breaks above that. So yeah, that would mean that Floki will break above this level right here at 3,000, and that we will rally up to 35,000. So that's definitely a possibility here. But at this moment, I think the situation for Floki is, even though we are making higher lows, I think it's a bit more likely that we are consolidating. All right. So even with the bullish momentum we got earlier this morning, what you can see is that Floki is not doing bad. All right. But you can also see that the open interest, if it drops down here, is also moving sideways, and an open interest that's moving sideways, and the price as well, that just means we are consolidating. All right, and a consolidation purely technically can also lead to a bearish breakout. Now Floki has a lot of support here. Basically the entire level between 25,000 and 26,500 is the support, but I don't see enough, even though technically it does look most likely, but I don't see enough to get that bullish breakout above the all-time high. All right, it's just the fact that the open interest right here, if it would really find resistance here, which is something we'll still have to see. Like this is definitely something you have to watch. But if it finds resistance here again, then it will fall back down towards 110 and 100, and then the price will follow with that. We'll drop down towards 25,500. I don't see any reason, especially not with Bitcoin that's this bullish. I don't see any reason why Floki would not hold that level. But for now, I do think it's most likely we'll stick to this consolidation range. All right. So that's what you need to know. And then just watch for a breakout. All right. If we gain that open interest, if that starts breaking out, then a bullish breakout is most likely. Main level to break is 30,000, of course. But you should also be prepared for bigger spikes down. All right. We saw what Bitcoin's bearish momentum yesterday could do to altcoins. It did not do that to Floki, but that could still happen in the future. So if Bitcoin turns very bearish, be careful for that breakout below 25,000, because if that fails to hold, the market structure turns much more bearish technically. I will keep you updated on this though, or I'll at least try my best. And for now, this is everything you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.